We begin at noon with another hearing for convicted killer Scott Peterson just wrapping up. The Modesto man made international headlines 20 years ago after the death of his wife Lacey and their unborn son Connor on Christmas Eve. Peterson was convicted in their deaths. KCRA 3's Michelle Bandor was in the San Mateo County courtroom for the hearing this morning and joins us live from Redwood City. So Michelle, today's hearing was about protecting the identities of witnesses, correct?
Yes, that's correct, Lisa, and good afternoon to you from Redwood City. The defense team with Scott Peterson's from the LA Innocence Project had filed that motion to seal documents concerning the identities of witnesses, trying to protect those witnesses. But ultimately, the defense withdrew that motion because the names of those witnesses are redacted in public records. Let's show you the video today. 51-year-old Scott Peterson did appear in court today by Zoom from the Mule Creek State Prison in Ione. He had his hair pulled back in a ponytail, politely addressing the judge when asked questions. His lawyers asked for the names of some of those witnesses to be kept private, but the judge noted every document about witnesses are redacted or listed as anonymous. Even the prosecution told the court they don't know who the witnesses are and would like to know who those people are as they prepare their case. So the LA Innocence Project agreed to withdraw that one exhibit. Peterson's next hearing is set for May 29th here at the San Mateo Superior Court. That one will actually focus, Lisa, on DNA motions. As the defense says, there are plenty of items and evidence that have never undergone DNA testing. Peterson, again, is expected to appear at that motion hearing again from Zoom from the Mule Creek State Prison, where he is serving a life sentence without parole. Reporting live in Redwood City, Michelle Bandor, KCRA 3 News.
You know, Michelle, today's hearing may seem to the public to be pretty uneventful, but the defense really needed this hearing, correct?
Yeah, Lisa, I mean, you might think it's mundane because really we went into the hearing and nothing changed from yesterday when those motions, yesterday with the motions that had been filed earlier this year. But the defense, some legal experts I spoke to say that it is important because every one of these hearings will lead up eventually to what the defense hopes to file a new motion for a new trial. Eventually, they hope to exonerate Scott Peterson of these murders. And we're going to have more from that legal expert coming up later today on KCRA 3 News.
All right, Michelle Bandor reporting live for us from Redwood City. Thank you. Lawyers also went over some housekeeping matters, discussing how to get large amounts of evidence to each other. That also took place today.